What is happening, folks? This is Eli with ehtutorialson, and today I actually want to show you how to send someone a quick email using the Google Sheets feature. It's a pretty nice way to do it, and if you don't really want to send a lot of people emails and you just want to have someone check something, that let's say you're working on a spreadsheet or a sheet on Google Sheets here, you can actually send them a message, and it's pretty easy. And so let me get started. Let me show you how to do this. So if you're trying to send someone a message in any of these sheets over here, you can have any of these cells over here. All you really have to do is press the sheet that you want to send the message to. So if you want them to check, let's say in this case you want to show them how to send penny stock, like how to see, like so they can look at this penny stock list that you have working on, that you're working on or whatever. So in this case, all you have to do is click on here on top. Then on the right side in Google Sheets, you're gonna see the open comment history. You can open that and you're just gonna add a comment. Very easy. In this case, we're gonna send this to like an email address that I use from time to time. But you can really just type the message right there. Hey, check out this stock list and tell me what you think. Right? Then all you really have to do is press the add thing here, and then from there you can actually click on the email address that you want to send it to. You want to assign, literally assign this message here, comment, and then assign it. Another thing you can do, if in case for some reason it doesn't happen, all you need to do is really share the sheet with the person as well, and that way they're gonna be able to look at everything, and it should be pretty easy to do. So that is pretty much it. I'm gonna actually go into the message, the other inbox, so that you can take a look at it. And before I continue with this video, I do want to give you guys a disclaimer. It does take a couple of minutes for the email to be sent to the person that you're adding in the comment section. So here's the email. Here's how it looks like, and it literally just says my name, and then it says basically it says the email address that I sent it to. So in this case, all that I have to do is just literally open the document, and right there it says assigned to you, and then it says, hey, check out this stock list and tell me what you think. And then if I really want to reply right there, I can literally do a reply to the person who sent this to me. In this case, it's just me. So I'm gonna go in and say thank you. This is an awesome list. Can't type today for some reason. This is an awesome list. And that's it. You just literally hit reply. And you can mark it as done, that you looked at it, and it'll tell you exactly, once you send the message, once the person replies back, I would say, you're gonna get a confirmation that they received it and they looked at it. This is a very good tool that you could use for many different things. I mean, obviously I'm using it for the example of the stock, but there's so many different things you can put in. I mean, you can literally, if you're working on a document with a group of people and you want them to look at things and edit something or change certain things, certain data or whatever, you can actually assign them certain areas of the spreadsheet, and they can edit it or add different things that need to be added. But with that being said, that is all for this video. Make sure to follow us on the social media. We're going to have the social media in the bottom. But also, like this video, share with your friends that are interested in doing this. Signing off, this is Eli. Take care, folks.